How to use a Visa gift card on Shein. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use a Visa gift card on Shein. You can do this on the Shein app or open up any web browser, then head over to shein.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, you want to add the items that you want to purchase in your cart. After that, tap on this cart icon over here. Select the items that you want to purchase, then tap on the checkout option. The first thing you want to do is enter your shipping address, then select your shipping method. Now, in order to use a Visa gift card, you want to select credit/debit card as your payment method, then tap on the place order option. Now, the next thing you want to do here is enter your Visa gift card credentials. So you want to enter the card number, expiry date, security code. After that, you want to tap on the place order option. In this way, you can use a Visa gift card on Shein, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.